Hello, fam. Okay, my husband wants to install a bar to go so we don't keep pulling on the handle of the RV, so it gives us something to close it with. Oh, honey. Anyway, so we was wondering was it a two-man job or one-man job. We want the black in the center. So this is the bar. Yeah, he's an Eagle fan. This is the bar he's putting up. And he went and got it yesterday. We can't tell you, this is the first time us using it. So we can't really tell you if this is going to work very well. But with the auto drive screen door cross handle, we'll let you know how good it is. So stay tuned as he get all his stuff together, and you can see all the things that is for mounting. It includes just 12 screws. And that's it. And then it looks like that. So, wait and see, fam. I'll be back. Now, don't forget you gotta do your marking if you want that handle to be in the middle. And that's what he's doing right now. So, if you're not a perfectionist and you just want to put it up, and it's totally up to you. But you want it to be in the middle, as you can see. And his sidekick, who won't leave his side, is right there. Say hello, Echo. No, okay. How are we doing, honey? Okay. All right, so we'll be back. So you see, it comes just like that. That little, just put those slides together. It's not a lot of work involved. So once you set that where you want your bar and how far you want your bar, then you put those screws right there to set the length, and screw that in to hold it in place. And then you screw the other pieces in, which is that little piece right there. Yeah. Okay. Today is his maintenance day, I guess. All right, I'm gonna go back to cooking. I'm ready to make lunch. I'm making a boy some cheese. Okay, so he's screwing the screws in to hold it in place. That's the thing. He says it's not that easy doing it by hand. You know, you want to use some type of little power drill blunt, but I don't think it says the direction tell you to use those. But, you know, for those who have a hard time using just manual labor. Manpower. Manpower. Anyway, so he's doing that right now. See? I'm trying to get where I can angle it so you can see. There it is. So those hold it in place until you do set your bar in there. Remember, it's 12 screws that go to this, and you can see why so many screws. Yeah. Y'all remember Tim the Toolman and how he used to make that noise? Manpower. No. He's using manpower today. Alright, we'll come back so you can see what's next. Hold tight. Bye for now. Hi, fam. Okay, so we had to do some adjustments. So make sure when you measure with a great length, because he had to make another adjustment, which was real simple. He just moved one of the screws out and moved it over. So this is what it's going to look like. And as I said, and it's leveled. Look at there. Look at there. Ah! Great job, honey bunny. Mwah. Y'all didn't see me give him a kiss, but I made the sound so y'all can know I did it. Oh. You want me to move? I guess I was in his way. And there he is with his sidekick. He's like directing him. Yeah, my dog, he has real bad anxiety when it comes to the rain. So now we have that piece mounted so we don't have to keep grabbing the plastic part or the handle, which is going to, after a while, things you keep using the wrong way, it will break. So, one thing down. Yeah. Also, we didn't tell you about our little leak.